Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. My name is Faith TMNmedia, and I welcome to my channel. I think what I should do is to try to show you the topic we're trying to talk about, right? And what I'm trying to talk about is very simple. Okay, it's just my design plan on how to make. If you guys will remember, we had live trading session. Okay, I showed you how to trade, and I believe I gave out one. We've done one. Okay, we actually could do other, but for me right now, I just feel like let's just do one at a time. Okay, because all of them can actually make things work for you. Okay, so this group is on Telegram. You can care to join. You'll be able to communicate there. Also, there is also Telegram, okay, because I observe that WhatsApp does not retain messages. Okay, if you're just joining, you will not be able to see the messages we've had before. So the next trading session we're going to have, live trading session we're going to have, is going to be probably in 2 weeks time. Initially I wanted us to do this weekend, but I'm already engaged, so that's why I've shifted it to another time. Now, if you're watching, I need you to understand trading is a business. Okay, if you've not been trading before, you want to trade, you want to start trading, it's a business, and you have to see it as such, all right, for it to work. For those who are watching, also on my channel, there is a playlist that is titled Accumulator. Okay, you will also be able to get the training there. The training we had is there. Okay, the live session we had is there, where I taught how to trade the accumulator. And then also, if you want to see my signal setup, my own signal, the signal setup for accumulator is available on that playlist. The live session is there. You will see practically explaining everything. It's there. Then you could also, I have the same signal setup on my signal service, which you could subscribe to with as low as maybe 1,000. You test it out, see how it works, and if you're okay with it, you continue. If you're not, no problem. Okay, it's not a big deal, but you can still trade with what I've taught you. But you see, trading with what I've taught you without a trading plan will not work. Okay, it will not work. That's why I've already made the video. I'm going to upload that video. Now, that video is going to explain the trading plan in detail, okay, without diverting to any other thing, so that I can strictly talk about it. You will have to follow that plan. If you follow the plan, you will get, some will say, for instance, like I've had people asking me question about, oh, okay, so what do I do? I'm sorry, I'm trying to see if I can get to the Telegram channel and show you the Telegram channel. Okay, like this, okay. Like this person asked about it. So I said, okay, not a problem. Okay, sorry. My internet was misbehaving. Okay. My internet was misbehaving. But before I do this, let me... so if you lose, even if you lose one, according to what I was saying, even if you're two, your trading plan covers at least, it affords you to experience 1 or 2 losses, okay, in a month. Now, the losses are not going to be repeating themselves very heavy. Sometimes you can even trade for a whole month and not experience a loss. I can tell you, okay, these are things I've done before. A whole month, 100 days, I've done 100 days without one loss. Okay, 100 days, no loss, no loss streak. Trading every day, trading 2-3 signals. In fact, as at then said, I was trading 5 signals, no loss. So meaning I traded 500 signals and I still didn't get a loss. Okay, I should be able to get a trade here. Okay, I should be able to get a trade. Okay, somebody will say, oh, how do you know? Look at it here. Can you see signal get ready? So I should be able to. Okay, so I'm going to wait for this guy to get to 18. So if I see 18, I'm going to click enter. So 16, 17, now 18. I've clicked my entry. Right. So since I've made my entry, what am I trading for? I'm trading for just what do you call it? 20%. I've made 10%. No, 10%. I've made 10%. So imagine you just doing 1, 2, 3 every day. 3 of this accumulator trading every day will make you profitable for the whole month. You don't need 10, you don't need 20. Forget, 10%, is it not too small? Can't I do 100%? Go and find out how the people doing 100%, whatever. Oh, not be everybody gets mind or head to carry all this stress. Me, I don't get capacity. So how do I know when to enter? If you don't want to calculate all that, you don't want to stress yourself with that. That's why I have this service. Okay? See that trade I just took, the trade I took now. This, my signal provided it as well. But I didn't wait for it. I had to go there. I confirmed that it's there. Then I go. Look at that trade. That trade we traded now. Let me check for the reports. I want to check for the report of that trade so that you see it here. Can you see 701? That's 801. We took it 801. Now look at all the trades, all the signals. Can you see the entry is 18, 18, 18? Okay, I had to update this. Can you see one loss? Okay, see one loss here. Okay, out of 20, one loss. Okay, see 2 here. Can you see? Now, can you see 1? Another loss. Can you see 2 loss? Okay, are you seeing it? No loss. Just like that every day. Okay, today alone, let's say 5 times 10, that's about 50 signals or 60 signals today alone. 60 signals, about 60 signals today alone. Okay, now those signals you are seeing, they are not the same as, they are almost the same as the one I taught in the video where you can find it. You can find that one in the playlist accumulator. They are the same, but with much more guide. There are other things that are introduced to extract only few, not all. So sometimes you might come here and you will see signal, but on my website, it did not allow you to trade it. It did not allow you to trade it. Here, you are trading, you are seeing it, you can go. But there it's not showing you. Because most times, some of those signals, losses hide within them. Okay, based on data compiled over the years, I found out they like to hide losses within. So that's why we have to exempt those. Okay, we have to exempt those. So not every time you see blah blah blah. Okay, like right now, there should be like maybe, can you see signal now? But I can bet you that let me see, this is 16. I can bet you that it's not going to allow me to trade it. It may not allow me to trade it because this is what's it called? But if me, I want to trade this one now. Okay, I just enter. I'm going to exit this one. Okay, I traded this. Now let me find out if, okay, can you see it's ongoing? 1. Okay, it allows me to trade it because it came early. Can you see that while I'm talking to you, I've done 2 trades? Okay, I've done 2 trades. I need you to understand. Is it possible? Yes. Could you make? I've done 2 trades. Now imagine if all I needed to do every day is just 3. Oh, somebody will now say he's afraid of. You are afraid because you have not had experience with this thing. You have not done it for a while to understand and build your confidence in that. Okay, I have traded it. I have been doing it for a while. I have built confidence. So for you to also build confidence, that's what you need to do. Okay, that's what you need to do. You want to build confidence, or that's all you need to do. You need to follow the plan. So I'm going to be uploading the trading plan very soon, okay, so that you'll be able to follow it. You watch, and I'm going to put it in a playlist. Now I think Okay, it's going to be on the playlist of making $10 every day. Okay, just $10. That's the playlist where I'm going to put it. Okay, but it's a trading plan, and that's my own trading plan. That's what I use year in, year out. No be today I don't use it. Okay, before I wasn't trading that way, but because I wanted to control over trading, revenge trading, repetition of different kind of wrong attempts and stuff like that. That is one of the reasons why I started trading that way. In fact, with what they taught me and how they trained me to trade it, it was even, it's very small. Imagine somebody telling you should just be trading like 8% every week. Or they tell you trade for 8% 2 weeks. So if you don't have big money, you don't have big capital, it's not going to make sense. But if you have big capital, it's going to make sense. Baje. Imagine you have 1 million and they say all you need to do is make 8% weekly. 8% weekly, right? It means all I need to do is to probably do 1 trade a week. Because with 1 trade, I can make 10%. And if I don't want to do 1 trade, I can say, okay, let me half and do 2 trades with half. Instead of using the old like that to make it, I will just do, instead of, you say 1 million at stake, 1 trade, I will make 100K. Meaning 100K, you close. 100K for the week, you close. In 4 weeks, you would have made 400K. From that, you're 1 million. That money now makes sense. That's when you find out that you don't need 100 trades to prosper with your trading. If you want to have rest of mind, though, listen, there is no version of this thing I've not done. There is no version. There is no version. So guys, I've already made the video. So the video is going to be posted on my YouTube channel. You'll be able to go through it. If you miss the live trading session where we trade and I taught, you can check on the playlist. The playlist title is Accumulator, Deriv Accumulator. Okay, Deriv Accumulator. Okay, you can start trading it. Even if you don't want to subscribe to the signal, no problem. Use the guide and make sure you are not over trading. Don't overdo it. Follow the plan. Small. How am I confident that if I enter this one, I'm going to win? How am I confident that if I enter this one, I'm not going to lose? I'm confident because I've done it multiple times. Doing these things multiple times will build your confidence. That's why I say start small. Do it small. Don't be in a hurry. Okay, don't be in a hurry. $1, $2, it might look very small, but first, master the process. Be sure, be confident that what you are doing will work. So by, let's say, maybe this whole month will cover accumulator. I don't want to stress myself and start raising is this. Accumulator has its own version of trading. Touch has its own version of trading. I like touch. All of them. Which one I like most? Do you know the one I like most? Touch is what I like most. It's the one that will give me most of the profits. Touch can give me 30%. Accumulator can give me 10 to 15%. Goes outside can give me maybe maximum 11 to 12%. So that's why I like touch, because it's the one that generates the most profits of the whole. But a lot of people, for quick stuff, people who don't like training, instead of start teaching you this is how you do this is how you generate signal, you wait for signal, you wait. You are tired, you don't want to wait, you don't want to labor, you don't want to start getting signal, whatever. That's why I built a signal service for myself. I use it personally. And there are some of my students subscribe to it. They are using it. Not a problem. I don't have a problem with your signal is 247. My website is available 247 because the platform is available 247. Platform is available 247. Trading is available 247. As me now, I feel sleep. Close my eyes, sleep. My website still there, it still they work. Somebody if you open up in 1 a.m. and trade, it's the same. Okay, guys, it's the same. Very simple. It's not difficult. Anybody can do this. Okay, I always tell people anybody and everybody can do this. Okay, anybody and everybody can do this. But the fact that for you to be